Morning, everybody. Welcome to day 51 of day trading the market open with a small account until we have enough confidence to fund it with more cheddar. MURA just did a beautiful ABCD pattern. If you don't know, the ABCD pattern is like a W. Look at that volume that came in here. I was hoping that this thing wasn't going to move until the open because I don't trade pre-market. And I was hoping to watch that 205 level. But as you can see, it soared. And absolutely soared through that pre-market high. Look, with like no issues there. So we got to go ahead and remove that. High now at 240. It looks like this is going to be... MURA looks like it's going to be the way. And the only real news on it is they updated their plans to announce explore strategic alternatives. But I think they cut their workforce by 90%. Ouch. That's brutal. 90% layoffs is brutal. Let's get it today. Game time. Ooh. All right. VWAP's all the way down here at like sub 2. It's at 196. Halt down's at 184. SNYR, nothing happening over here. Oh, there's some volume picking up. Need a pullback here though for MURA. I'll try to wait till something sets up. That's too quick of a move for VWAP for SNYR. I'm gonna watch that. EMA's down below. Yeah, there you go. There's a rejection. Rejection. I'm be dating myself right here. Does anybody remember the rejection hotline from like 2000s? That's messed up. And somebody asked for your number. You gave them the rejection hotline number. Oh man, that's dumb. MURA. Look at that move through 250. Up, well, not through 250. Up to test 250. Whoa, what's your halt down? NY at 315. Wow, you got a long ways to go till you halt down. You got like 50 cents to go still. Wow, MURA. What are the daily candles looking like on here? Oh, we're in the middle of a gap. I should have looked at this earlier. This thing has a gap until 380. But it also has a gap down to 184. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens today, shall we? Buyer got eaten there. Ooh. Then they stepped right back up. It was a nice little bull flag to open. I didn't really recognize that until right now. For that break at 240. From 261 to 268. Yikes, what happened here? $275. When are we gonna get the pullback though? Okay, let's see if it tops out. Comes back a little bit. EMA's at 246. VWAP's still down at 206. Okay. Has 17 million shares outstanding-ish. Hold down's at 2. Not going to play an EMA, but if it does touch EMA, I might try to take the tail on it. See what happens. Quite frankly, because I'm afraid that if EMA doesn't hold, that it just flashes down. Oh, now we got to play to 1 minute to make a new high. Let's let this. I want this candle to chill. Chill, chill. Not playing EMA. 260. There's that EMA bounce. Pressure back on it. We have another 30 seconds for this candle. Let's see what happens. I don't want this to break above 260 on this candle, though. I want it to do it on the next one. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're going to mess up the 1 minute to make a new high. Don't do it. 10 seconds left. Okay. Pressure's back on. All right, 260. Where you at? Pressure on EMA. Yikes. Hold down's 202 if it does flash crash. $50, 20 seconds till a new minute. Looking for that crack of 260 still. 57, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 held. Oh no. Doji. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, well, I got caught on a fake 1 minute to make a new high break out there. Kept it relatively small, about 8-cent loss, but that's all the buying power I have for it today, unfortunately. Let's see if this ends up resolving. Took that 260 breakout in hopes that it was going to move back to the high of 275, kind of carry that momentum. It didn't, so I had to cut it. But that was the strategy, and if the strategy doesn't work, then I had to cut it. I did hold it like a little too long. Right after I got in on the trade, I said, "Oh no!" I knew it wasn't gonna be good, because it came right back down under 260. So if I were to play it again, I would try 262. Maybe it has more momentum here at 262. But it's front side and it's 1 minute to make a new high, so I got to take that trade. I got to take the trade. I held it too long, though. I will admit. Oh, look at that. I didn't even realize it pinged right off of 240. It's going to be a shame if this rolls over today and doesn't give the people anything exciting to work with. Volume's getting less and less, even for the red candles. I'll say if SBEV gets back above VWAP, that thing could move. Came up and tested 340 pre-market, or 314, excuse me. Ouch, ouch, this could get ugly for MURA. All down's at 202, VWAP's at 215. It's gonna test VWAP. Well, got close to it. Got 4 cents away. But unfortunately, that's all I got for today. That's all the buying power. I'm out. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.